Hello students, welcome to the biology class. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is proof for DNA as genetic material. In our previous sessions, we have discussed that the chromosome which is present in the nucleus is made up of DNA and protein. And there is a confusion whether the protein is a genetic material or the DNA is a genetic material. So the various experiments are being performed to confirm or to prove that DNA is the genetic material, not the protein. So first experiment which we discussed in our last session is the transforming principle. Second is the biochemical, and this is the experiment in which the Hershey and Chase, they proved that the DNA is the genetic material. So this experiment is also known as the Blender's experiment or Hershey and the Chase experiment, or you can say this experiment will prove or confirm that DNA is the genetic material. How? Hershey and Chase, they have taken the bacteriophage as the genetic material, or you can say as the experimental material. What are bacteriophage? Bacteriophage consists of protein coat and DNA. Bacteriophage is the virus which used to eat the bacteria. So it is the virus which used to eat the bacteria. So that is the virus which used to eat the bacteria, or you can say infect the bacteria, engulf the bacteria. So we have taken the bacteriophage as our experimental material, which consists of protein coat and DNA. For that, he has made the two culture mediums. In one culture medium, we are having a sulfur with 35 radioactive, and in another medium, we are having a phosphorus as a radioactive, that is P32. And in both the culture, separately, the bacteriophage, they will grow. So with the culture which is having a sulfur 35 or the radioactive sulfur, that culture is having the bacteriophage with the radioactive protein coat. Whereas the culture which is having the phosphorus as a radioactive, that is P32, they are having a DNA as a radioactive. So we are having a two separate culture. In one culture, the radioactive protein coat bacteriophage is present. In another culture, we are having a DNA as a radioactive. Now both the culture separately, they are going to infect the E. coli, that is your bacteria. And after the infection, so first is we make the culture with the radioactive, or we make the bacteriophage radioactively labeled, one with the protein coat and another with the DNA. Now first step is to infect the E. coli. So during the infection, the bacteriophage will enter into the E. coli. They used to eat them, they used to infect them, they used to engulf them. Before that it is going to be engulfed, it is going to be finished, we used to do the blending. Blending means mixing. We used to blend the culture medium, and then the third step, we used to do the centrifugation. So the first step is your infection. Second is blending of that culture medium, so that the bacteriophage, they get separated from the bacteria. They should be separated and no more engulfing or the eating of the E. coli should be there. And the last is your centrifugation. And during the centrifugation, we used to have two components, two separated components. One is supernatant and another is your precipitate. In precipitate, we are having the bacteria with DNA of bacteriophage. Now this is very important. This is your procedure. Now come to the observations. So what are the observations? The Hershey and Chase, they have studied that in the supernatant, in both the cases, you find the protein coat in both the cases. Here you will find the protein coat which is radioactive. Here we find the protein coat which is non-radioactive. And in supernet or in the bacteria, we'll find the DNA of bacteriophage that is non-radioactive. So this is non-radioactive. This is radioactive DNA. This is radioactive DNA. So with this, they prove or confirm or observe or concluded that only the DNA is entering into the bacterial cell. They are infecting the bacterial cell and they are causing the, you can say, eating of the bacterial cell. So with this, they prove that the DNA is the genetic material, not the protein. So this is very important experiment that is being known as your Hershey and Chase and the blender experiment. Please go through and consult your NCERT for the same with diagram. Till then, thank you.